Hello friends! One of the easiest ways to add some architectural interest to your house is by installing some shutters. And if you already have them, and as in my case, they are in bad condition, I will show you today how to install and how to remove old ones and replace them with easy to make shutters that will save you money and will make your house look much better. So stick around and see how we're going to achieve that. Let me change to a bigger diameter.
Yes, you are.
With the shutter removed, we're going to go to our workbench and get the dimensions and also the locations of the screws, so we won't have to create more holes on the wall of the house. These cedar boards are very good for outside projects. They're fairly inexpensive. You can find them for between $1.50 and $2.50 at your local retail store, Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards or whatever is close to you. And they are the best wood for this project. Cedar is resistant to rot by nature, so this wood will last you a long time without changing much in appearance. Make sure that at the bottom your boards are all flush. And then we're going to make a mark here on the front for our length. One of my favorite workshop tools is this portable bench. It is very easy to deploy, it's very light, and yet it has a lot of strength and you can put anything on top of it. I plan to put my saw on top to make the cuts that I need. Once you locate everything where you want, you simply close it and lock it, and you have now a very sturdy surface. Set a new piece across, and that will be one of our cross pieces, and then mark it underneath. And now we have the dimension we need to cut on our saw for this piece. Man, this smells good. Cedar is a very wonderfully smelling wood. That's how we get it. think he will freak out?
Yes.
Simply put your blade on the mark, and that will give you the correct length. With one cut, you can use this as a template to cut the second one. Remember, we need 2 of those cross members for each of our satyrs. Now we need another piece. I think that's too short, right? All right. We'll use that for one of the other satyrs.
First, we haven't cut these off to see the exact length. And
Right.
I think that the distance between the edge and the top and the edge and the bottom needs to be the same. I like symmetry.
I don't like measuring. You mark across the board. And that way, without measuring, we are sure that all the boards are going to cut at the same length. Maybe a little more as well. Bring it toward here. Is it touching the wall? Yeah. I'm going to use the wall as a reference
Right,
point.
but it keeps falling.
Huh?
It keeps falling though.
Okay. You ready for me to cut?
Sure.
You running?
Yes. Watch your fingers, please.
I'm using my wall as a stop, so I don't have to continuously measure. You can speak, I can edit things out.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh. Well, I don't know how else to hold it though. One more, right? I have a thing to do that. I should be using it. Our three boards are now cut. And you can see from the pieces cut that they are actually very evenly cut. This one unfortunately broke, which spoils my plan I had for it, for a different project. Okay, now that they're all the correct length, we put them back on the board, the old Saturn. Is that too tall? Too top?
No, bring it this way.
Hmm?
Bring it this way.
You don't want it much taller than that, do you? You want it more?
A little bit.
There?
Yeah.
Now we need to make the markings of this diagonal board. As you position the board, make sure that it is flush with the lower part here and also with the lower part in the other side before you make your marks. That will ensure that you have the correct spot. Before you make your marks, make one more time a test that it is where you want it to be. And as you see, ours have moved just slightly, but that's okay. And do the same on the other side. And that has not moved. Now you're ready to make your marks. So you're going to make one mark here and another mark here, and you will simply connect those two marks.
Back on.
Put your square between the two marks, find your pencil and correct them. Where is my pencil? And that will give you the correct angle for your cut. The same with the other side. Find the one mark. Move your blade until it's parallel. And that's it.
No, more towards you. I mean, the board needs to go more towards you, or the blade this way. There.
What is the angle, correct? Are you taping or not now?
I'm taping.
Hold on, keep butter if we're doing things. Make sure that your blade is aligned with your line there, and you can use your saw. It looks like we're just above 15 degrees here, and then make your cut. That will be enough for next year. Repeat for the other cut. For you can see how much nicer our new Sato is compared to our old one. We are going to have again to finish it, and we try to give you that process, but all it remains now is to be finished and hung outside, and I think this is a vast improvement over what we had before. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again next week.